One wrong choice and your entire prop journey can crash before takeoff. That is why we are comparing three of the most talked about two-step prop firms: WeMaster Trade, Blueberry Funded, and Pro, to find out which one truly gives traders the edge. Welcome to Propfirm Pilot, your guide through the world of funded trading. I am Avinash, and in today's video, we are putting three well-known two-step prop firms head-to-head: WeMaster Trade, Blueberry Funded, and Pro. With the help of Propfirm Pilot's detailed data and rules breakdown, we will explore which firm gives traders the best conditions, who offers the fairest payouts, and what hidden challenges you need to watch out for. So if you are looking for the right prop firm to start your journey, this comparison will surely help you to make an informed choice. So let's jump right in.
Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. 99% of traders lose money. Do your own research before making any trading decisions.
So at first, I'll be searching for Propfirm Pilot, since I've already searched, so it appeared. And I'll be selecting the first result. So this is a brand new page of Propfirm Pilot. It is our official page and it is made by traders for the traders. So let's start the comparison. At first, I'll be searching for WeMaster two-step program. And then let's select Blueberry two-step. And at last, I'll be selecting for Pro regular two-phase program. Let's remove it. And this is the side-by-side comparison of WeMaster Trade, Blueberry Funded, and Pro two-phase programs, which makes it quite easy and comprehensive. So let's dive into the comparison. At first, let's look at the establishment. So WeMaster Trade is established in St. Lucia and it was established in year 2025, while Blueberry Funded is in St. Vincent and the Grenadines and it was established in 2024, while Pro was established in Malta and it was established in year 2023. So relatively, WeMaster Trade is the newest among the three. Now let's talk about profit target. Since these all are two-step programs, so all of the three prop firms requires two profit targets. For WeMaster, it requires 8% profit target in the first phase and 6% in the second phase, while for Blueberry Funded, it's 10% in the first phase and 5% in the second phase. For Pro, it's 10% in the first phase and 8% in the second phase. So now let's move to maximum loss. So for maximum loss, all the three prop firms are having equal maximum loss, that is 10%, and it is fixed, which is quite good for the traders, since it helps the trader to retain the account for much longer. Now let's move to maximum loss is to profit ratio. Talking about the maximum loss is to profit ratio, so this is the ratio which helps the trader to decide that which challenge is tougher. The higher the ratio, the tougher the challenge. So for WeMaster, it's 1:1.4, while for Blueberry Funded, it's 1:1.5, and Pro, it's 1:1.8. So here we can see that Pro is having the highest ratio, that is 1:1.8. So comparatively, among the three, Pro is the most toughest challenge of all, and WeMaster is the easiest one. Talking about the daily loss limit, so all of the three prop firms are having 5% balance-based or equity-based daily loss limit, which means that whichever will be higher at the starting of the day will be considered as the mark point, and 5% below it will be the account breach. Now let's move to minimum trading days. Now talking about the minimum trading days, so this rule means that you need to book 0.5% or 0.2% of the profit each day, as required by the prop firm rules, to meet the minimum trading day criteria. So here in WeMaster we can see that it's 0 days, while for Blueberry Funded it's 3 days and Pro is also having 3 days criteria. So in minimum trading days criteria, WeMaster is one of the best because it doesn't require any minimum trading days, which means you can pass the challenge within a single day. Now let's move to payout frequency. So in case of payout frequency, WeMasters offer on-demand payout frequency, while Blueberry Funded is having by default bi-weekly payout, and if you buy an add-on, it's weekly payout. While for Pro, they are offering daily payouts. So even in this case, WeMaster seems to be better. Now let's talk about profit split. So in the case of profit split, WeMaster is offering 90% of the profit split, while Blueberry Funded is having 80% criteria, and Pro is also having 80%. So even in this case, WeMaster stands out. Now let's talk about news trading. So if you are someone who trades the news, in that case WeMaster seems to be better because you can trade news in it, while Blueberry Funded and Funder Pro are having some window, like 4 to 10 minutes window, in which you can trade 5 minutes or 2 minutes before the news or 5 minutes or 2 minutes after the news. While for weekend holding, WeMaster Trade and Blueberry Funded is allowing the weekend holding, while Funder Pro doesn't allow weekend holding. That means if you are having any trade running on Fridays, then it will be by default closed. Now let's talk about consistency rule. So according to this rule, there should not be a single day's profit more than a certain percentage. In this case, WeMaster requires 20%, that your one day profit could not exceed 20% of the overall profit, and for Funder Pro it's 45%. In the case of Blueberry, there is no consistency rule, which means that your days can be random, but you need to fulfill the 3 minimum days criteria. Now let's talk about the broker. So all of the 3 prop firms are having in-house broker, which increase the chances of the payouts. Now let's talk about the type of account they offer. WeMasters, they offer simulated account, and it is similar for Blueberry Funded, while Funder Pro offers live account. So comparatively, Funder Pro seems to be better because you will be trading with the real money. While talking about the commissions, so WeMaster offers $4 per lot and Blueberry offers $7 per lot. It is for Forex, while Funder Pro doesn't ask for any commission, which means that no commission will be deducted when you place a trade. Now let's talk about spread. So in all the 3 prop firms, there is raw spread. But in Blueberry Funded and WeMaster, the spread is quite tight. Since Funder Pro is having no commission, so the spread is quite wide. Talking about the leverage, so WeMaster Trade is having 1:100 leverage, while Blueberry Funded is having 1:50, and for Funder Pro it's 1:100. So in this case, Funder Pro and WeMaster Trade seems to be better. Now let's talk about trading platform. So in the case of trading platform, WeMaster only offers MetaTrader 5, while for Blueberry, they are having a wide range, that is MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, even Trade Locker. For Funder Pro, they are having Trade Locker and CTrader. So in this case, Blueberry seems to be better, but it is quite a personal choice. So let me know in the comments that which one is your preferable trading platform. Now let's talk about the fees. So I'll directly compare the 100k accounts. So in WeMaster, you need to pay $335 for a 100k account, while for Blueberry, it's $500, and in Funder Pro, it's $549. Since they are offering live accounts, so it is quite expensive. And since Blueberry is not asking for any consistency rule, they are asking for $500. And in WeMaster, it is one of the cheapest, that is $335. So traders, this was the detailed comparison of WeMaster Trade, Blueberry Funded and Funder Pro's two-phase challenge. So write me into the comments that which one is your favorite prop firm, and always remember to prioritize one that aligns with your own risk management style and trading rules. The best fit is a firm whose rules, drawdown, profit targets, and allowed behavior complements your natural approach and discipline. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more such contents. Meet you in the next video. Till then, happy trading!